Guys, welcome back to my next trade recap. We got Thursday, 14th of May, and I'm gonna be taking you through my trades today. So, coming into the day, we are on NQ. What do we see? We see that we made new all-time highs during the Asia session. So, we have a draw on liquidity at this level. This is the first thing. Then during the night, price is dropping back down. We have a 4-hour bullish displacement here, as you can see. We have a 4-hour bullish displacement. It's getting mitigated, and then price is closing back above with a nice doji candle. So yes, overall bias is bullish, and coming into the day, I was waiting for price to kind of retest this level, retest this support level for me to enter for longs and just target the drawn liquidity, which is the all-time high from the Asia session. This happened perfectly. So basically this played out. As you can see here, we have a 15-minute candle closing below the level. We have a nice doji candle right here, which already could be my impulsive signal to buy. And I think overall this is a pretty impulsive signal to trade with, but if you're confident and if you set your stop loss tight below, you can catch a 1 to 8 trade at this point. I didn't trade that. I wanted to wait for some sort of confirmation, for some sort of IFVG, and looking back at the charts, I fucking missed it. I don't know how. I was sitting in front of the charts all the time, and I just missed a 15-minute inversion right here. So basically here you can see we create a bearish displacement, then we are having the market open candle from 9 to 9:30 to 9:45. It closes above the displacements, above this rejection right here. So we're disrespecting this level of supply. What happens then is we have a nice wick, we have a bearish candle, mitigating the IFVG, retesting it, closing within. This would be the perfect entry for me. So putting the stop loss below the wick, and also below the IFVG, and then just putting my TP at Asia high, which is the all-time high at this point. But yeah, as you can see, this trade would have played out, but I missed it. And I don't know, it sucks to be honest, but it's alright. I took another trade on the 5-minute chart later during the session, as I saw that price is creating some bullish structure here. We actually see this 5-minute gap. We see a nice mitigation of that gap. We see a closure above. This was my signal to enter. I was entering for a, I don't know, a fixed 1 to 4. I think it was a fixed 1 to 4. As you can see, price didn't touch my level. And I got stopped out for break even. So it was a break even trade. I would have got if I put my TP on 1 to 3, I'm getting the trade. But again, it's alright. Break even trades today. Also on gold, I had a setup. I think it was pre-session. Yes, it was pre New York session. So basically what I saw was this range right here, created by Asia highs and lows. As you can see, price is trending in between this range. It's consolidating, and what I saw is this candle right here, this 15-minute candle, leaving a wick behind, sweeping these levels right here, sweeping liquidity, and closing back above, back inside the range. And then I just entered for longs right here, going onto the 5-minute chart. I put my stops below this 5-minute candle, be, below the first 5-minute candle. That's right. And then I just targeted, I think I targeted overall highs. I targeted Asia highs instead of just taking a 1 to 3 trade. So as you can see, we had some obstacles right here in between my entry and my take profit. We have two bearish gaps, which are supply zones. Prices reacting from here as prices rejecting, as prices respecting this fair value gap. I'm putting my stops at break even, and I'm getting stopped out. And as you can see here, gold is just dumping further down. I think we're gonna take these New York lows as a liquidity sweep, and then we can see what we can trade. Probably some long setups from there towards the Asia highs, more, or maybe towards the external liquidity highs. We'll see how price plays out. But yeah, this was pretty much it. A break-even day for me today. Key takeaway for me was that I traded patiently. I was waiting for confirmations. I wasn't just jumping into trades. I was managing my trades, managing them with nice break-even placement, with nice stop-loss placement. That was good, but I missed some setups here, and I should have been taking my take profit much earlier and not going for some big moves. But yeah, I think main thing today was the missed setup on NQ. Guys, I hope you catch this trade because it was just pretty structural. Structure was being respected clearly, and it was just a clean trade that I just missed. But yeah, it is how it goes. I'm gonna be back tomorrow with another trade recap and hoping to see some nice structure to catch some nice setups for tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.